Meetme sign up, how to create Meetme account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can create a Meetme account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to learn how to create a Meetme account, open up the Meetme app, and usually this is the kind of interface that you will see. Now from here on, what you have to do is you can just try to log in if you have an account by tapping on the login here option and entering your email and password and logging into your account. Otherwise, you can just go to this login option instead, and then you have to select the option to actually create your account. So open this up. Now just go ahead and make sure to enter the name that you would like to use for your Meetme account, and then the email address, create a password, and just choose your birthday that would make you at least over 18 years of age. Then choose your gender. Then select your location from here, and once you've done that, you can simply tap on the sign up for free option, verify your email, and your Meetme account will be successfully created. This way you will be able to create your Meetme account. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.